Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. What we are learning today is the very basics of email sending concept. How do we do it in inbox to inbox concept? How do we need to do it from ESP to inbox concept? When we want to send an email from inbox to inbox, that is in the first box. Second one, I'll try to go with a bigger one because we need to divide it into multiple things. Inbox to inbox. The first box is very simple. Inbox to inbox. It might be your companies, you're communicating with your company colleagues, or it might be Gmail to Gmail or Yahoo to Yahoo, Gmail to Yahoo, Yahoo to Gmail, or any other. What is the first thing you'll do? You have the freedom of creating your user. Create login in Gmail. Example, I have created mine. I choose my username at gmail.com. In companies, they will create it for me. Chandra.prasad. It's a continuation of the previous video. Examplecompany.com. Can I create it? No. They will create it because it is not an MSP. What is next? It's very simple. Compose an email. And what do we need? Very simple. We need from name, from email address. From name is Chandra. From email address is raju.chandra23@gmail.com. Then we need recipient email address. I'm weak in English. I'll always forget the spelling. We need to address. You don't need their name. What is next? You'll write a subject line. Correct? Second, then you'll write the body of the email. When we do it from inbox to inbox. So from name, from email address to, by default, when you log in, you will be the from name, whatever you have given, and the email address, what you have chosen from Gmail, Yahoo, or the company which has given it. Now let us understand how we can use ESP, which is SFMC in our example, and how it will send the email to inbox, and what we need to do as an user. If I use the word user, you should know is a person who can log into Salesforce Marketing Cloud and perform the task on behalf of the client. That is the term. Client is the one who has purchased Salesforce Marketing Cloud Server to send the marketing emails or transaction emails to their subscribers. When it comes to sending an email from Salesforce Marketing Cloud, what do we need? We need send classification. Send classification is a combination of sender profile plus delivery profile and classification. I'll try to discuss on this in the next video. Sender profile is the sender name or from name. Sender name and sender email address. Remember, you are not sending it to your friends. You are sending it on behalf of the client to their subscribers. So they should define what the name should look like and what is the email address they want to use it for sending. You're just helping them in sending it. Delivery profile is the information of MX server or MX server, which is have IP address. Basically, classification, are you sending a promotional email, which is also known as commercial email, welcome email, offer emails of 10%, 20%. That is the first category. Second category is transactional email. When you make any transactions on Paytm, your bank, your credit card, you'll receive one email that is transactional email. You should define, is it a transaction email or a promotional email? We need send classification first. You can define any number of times. If you have the login, you can just check it. We need send classification. What is next? We need, obviously, recipients. Recipients, or you can call it as to. Where do we have it? We will save it in data extension, which is nothing but a table in layman language, or SQL table. A table which stores data. See, obviously we need an email and it should be approved. And in this email, what do we expect? Very simple. We need subject line. We need body. Body will be in HTML format or it will be in the text format, preferably HTML. Done? What is important? Sending. We need to send the email, right? It's not that you are sending it to your friend using the button send after you compose the email. Sending can be manual or automated. In automated, we have two tools. One is called as Automation Studio or Journey Builder. When it comes to manual, it's send flow. Pick all these items and send it. It's as simple as that. Within the tool, we need to investigate, go, learn, and just send it. Whenever you want to send an email, we need data about recipients. We need sender information, which is sender name and sender email address. We need the email, preferably the approved email, if approval process is in place. And that email will have the subject line, pre-header. I've not mentioned pre-header here, which is also required. Pre-header, I'll show you where it is located. In the Gmail, not in the SFMC tool. SFMC tool, the people have to find a login and work on it. Subject line, body, and pre-header. Sending, obviously we need to send it. Who will be sending it? User, or you will automate it. When you do it manually, then you are sending it using ABC and gone. When we send all the emails, what we should remember is there is one more table in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, actually two. There is something called all subscribers. I'll go with the layman language table and all contacts. Any email sent in Salesforce Marketing Cloud will be stored once in all subscribers, the email address to whom we sent, and automatically it will store in all contacts. It might be not easy to digest at the beginning. So what is data extension? It is a table. What is all subscribers? It's a table. What is all contacts? Even this is a table. But why it is getting captured there? What is the need of it? All these things will be explained over the diagram to know more about it. All subscribers is a table which will capture all the sends done, and if the subscriber information is not present, it will store it once. All subscribers will be taken in detail in a separate video to know more about it. to know the difference between data extension, all subscribers, how they are connected, when they get connected, what happens when they connect, how data is stored, what will be stored, how it will be stored, and many things will be taken care in the next video. This is a very simple video to make everyone comfortable in learning SFMC, which is an ESP, and what happens when we send the inbox, what is required before we send the email. Automation and others, you people have to learn, and you should be lucky enough in getting the logins to learn all these things. Inbox to inbox, compare inbox to inbox with ESP and inbox. We'll be having a very simple concept. Any ESP, any ESP, I'm not talking about one, any ESP should have these basic things in place if they want to send an email. All subscribers, data extension, all contacts. These terms are specific to SFMC. So with this, I'll be ending this video. Thank you for watching. All subscribers concept will be explained in the next video. Thank you. Have a great evening.